Hello student. In previous video we have completed question number 4 from exercise 5.2. In today's video here I take question number 5. Question number 5 is given. Following is the frequency distribution table for the marks obtained by 40 students of class test. Marks are given from 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. And number of students are given here. That is 6 for 10 to 20 marks, that is 7, then 9, 6 and the 12. For this frequency distribution table, here we have to answer the question. First question is given, what is the class size? Okay. Now to find out the class size of any class interval. Now it is class interval. Okay. 0 to 10, 10 to 20. This is the lower class limit. This is the upper class limit. And difference between it is called the class size. Then 10 minus 0. 10 minus 0, that is the 10. Or 20 minus 10. Then also you will get the 10. 30 minus 20. 40 minus 30. Or 50 minus 40. You will get the 10. This is the class size of given class interval. Understood? Therefore, class interval of given class interval is equal to, you can take any class interval and take the difference between the upper class limit and the lower class limit. This is the class size of given class interval. 10 minus 0 is equal to 10. This is the answer for A. Then see the second. What is the lower limit of an interval whose frequency is 6? Frequency 6. This is the frequency, number of students. Okay, this is the 6. For this class interval is what? 0 to 10. And its lower limit is what? 0. Similarly for 30 to 40, 6 is the frequency and its respective class interval is what? 30 to 40. Its lower limit is what? 30. Therefore 0 and 30 is the answer. This is the lower limit of the class interval having the frequency 6. Okay. Then see the next question. What is the class mark of the class 20 to 30? See, to find out the class mark of any class interval, here we have to take the average of lower class limit and the upper class limit. Here we have to find out the class mark of class interval 20 to 30. Okay. Then we do the addition of lower class limit and upper class limit of this class interval, that is 20 plus 30 and then divided by 2. 20 plus 30, that is 50, divided by 2, here we get 25. 25 is the middle number of 20 and 30, that is the class mark. Okay. Now what is the class mark of the class interval? That is the middle number. Now see the next question. How many students obtain marks more than or equal to 30? More than and equal to 30. More than, that is from 30 to 40, then 40 to 50. Then more than 30 and equal to 30. It is 6 and 12 students are there. Therefore total students are 6 plus 12 is equal to what? 18 students got more than 30 or equal to 30 marks. This is the answer of D example. Now see the next example, question number 6. Following are the height of 20 students in centimeter it is given. Make a frequency distribution table for this data using equal class interval. One of them it is given 140 to 145. One example is given, that is 140 to 145, that class interval we have to take. We see the difference between, or class size of this class interval is what? 5. Understood? Among this given score, what is the least score there? That is 141 it is given. Okay. And maximum score is 162 is given. 140 and 160. Here we take the class size of 5. Okay. Now 140 it will come. Then we can start from the class interval 140 to 145. Okay. Then next 145 to 150 plus 5 here we do. Then 150 to 155, 155 to 160 and 160 to 165. This is the class interval which represent the height of the student in centimeter. Understood? Then tally mark. Now see how to give the tally mark. See the numbers 155, 155. Now see 155 is in this class interval also and this class interval too. Then where we have to take this number 150 to 155 or 155 to 160. See what is the meaning of this 150 to 155? This means up to 154. 155 will come in next class interval. Therefore, this number we will take in this class interval. Here we give the tally mark. Then 158 here only. Then 152, 152 here. 147 here it will come. Then 153. Okay. 162 it will come here. Then 144. 144. Then 148. 148 here. 141, 150, it will come in this class interval. Then 157, then 145, it will come here. Then 161, 154, 142 will come here. Then 163, 154, fifth line, okay, 160 here, okay, and 155 it will come here, 155, and next is the 143 it will come here, okay. According to number you have to give the tally mark. Now see, count the tally mark 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore number of students having the height between 140 to 145 centimeter. 4 students are there. For this here we get 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 and cross, that is the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 4. Okay. This is the frequency distribution table for the given information. Okay, now see the question number 7. Question number 7, find the class size if the class mark of the group frequency distributions are as given below. Class mark of the distribution table it is given 40, 48, 56, 64 and 72. We know the class mark. How to find out the class mark? We already complete here. Question number 5C. Okay. Then it is given 40, 48, 56, 64 and 72. For that here we have to find out the class size. To find out the class size, what we have to do? You have to take the difference between the any two consecutive class mark. 48 minus 48, here we get the 8 and this represents the class size of the given class interval. Okay. Similarly, you have to complete the B example from question number 7. This is homework for you. Next, see the question number 8. Question number 8, find the class limit. Okay, if the class mark is given. Class marks are given 15, 25, 35, 45 and 55. Class mark which is the middle of the class interval. First we find out the difference between this, that is 25. Any two consecutive class mark. 25 minus 15, here we get 10. Clear? Then take the half of that, 10 upon 2, here we get 5. Okay. Then what we have to do? If you have to find out the class interval for this class mark, then you have to subtract 5 from this. You will get the lower limit of this class interval and then add 5 to 15. You will get the upper limit of this class interval. Okay. Then for this class mark 15, the lower class limit is what? 15 minus 5, that is 10, and 15 plus 5, that is 20. Here we get the class interval, that is 10 to 20. Okay. Similarly for 25, again subtract 5 and add 5, that is 20 to 30. Then 30 to 40 and 40 to 50, 50 to 60. In this way here we get the class limit or the class interval if the class mark is given. Okay. Here we complete the question number 8. Now note down your homework. Question number 8B example is homework for you and 7B is homework for you. This is all for today, student. Thank you very much.